for part 2 of solving logs. We're actually going to be solving exponential equations. And we've done this in the past. The only difference is we were able to rewrite our bases to be the same base. But if I look at 8 and 11, there's no way I can rewrite 8 with a base of 11, and there's no way I could rewrite 11 with a base of 8. So if I come across this, what I'm going to have to do is take the log of both sides. So we'll go ahead and do that. Take the log of both sides. We have log of 8 to the power of x equals log of 11. Now our end goal is to solve for x. If I'm solving for x, I don't want it to be in the exponent. So I'm going to rewrite this using my power property as x times log of 8 equals log of 11. Now to get x by itself, we just need to divide by log of 8 on both sides. Our log of 8s will cancel here, so we're left with an x on the left. And on the right, we're left with log of 11 divided by log of 8. This part we're going to be able to plug into our calculator. Log of 11 divided by log of 8, because the log button on our calculator will be log base 10. Okay, and we get an answer of 1.153. We are rounding to the thousandth place. So this is our final answer. Now we can plug it in, just to double check. When I plug this in for x, since I have a calculator, I'm going to go ahead and type 8 to the power of 1.153, and you get 10.99, which is rounded to 11. Okay, on number 2, the same thing. There's no way for me to rewrite 5 as a base 6 or 6 as a base 5, so I'm going to take the log on both sides. Since it's an equation, as long as I'm taking log on both sides, it's still equivalent. Okay, again, we don't want our x in our exponent here. So we're going to move it out to the front using our power property. It's now a coefficient. So x times log of 5 equals x plus 1 times log of 6. Now those parentheses are necessary because we're not only multiplying the 1 times the log of 6, we're multiplying the whole entire exponent, the x plus 1. Okay, now here, to get x by itself, I need to divide by log of 5 on both sides. All right, but I still have an x on both sides of the equation, so I need to move them so that they're on the same side. So we're going to divide by x plus 1. And then we're going to divide our logs in our calculator. So log of 6 divided by log of 5. And we get 1.113. All right, now to solve for x, we're going to multiply by our denominator on both sides. We get 1.113x plus 1.113. And then combine like terms, so we need to move this x term to the other side. So I get 1 minus 1.113 is negative 0.113 x, and then divide to get your x by itself. we get negative 9.8495, so 85. Okay, so a lot was going on here. Let's go ahead and plug this in and check it. So I'm going to plug it into the original, 5 to the power of x, so 5 to the negative 9.85. And that should be equal to 6 to the negative 9.85 minus, or plus 1. So my calculator, I'm going to type 5 to the power of negative 9.85, and we get 1.304 times 10 to the negative 7. And I'm going to plug in 6 to the power of negative 9.85 plus 1. And get about 1.3 times 10 to the negative 7. So since we're rounding, this checks out. I'm going to let you do 3 on your own. The key will be posted with number 3.